Are you prepared to train like a Spartan? Embracing the Spartan mindset is about far more than physical prowess. It's about cultivating mental toughness and ironclad discipline. The path of a Spartan is not one of abbreviated workout routines or half-hearted commitments. Instead, it requires training 5 days a week, instilling a sense of discipline that will burn away the old you and forge a stronger, fitter self in its place. This 5-day training routine should become as integral to your schedule as your job, school, or other responsibilities. It's this unwavering discipline, akin to that of professional athletes and soldiers, that will bring your dream physique into reality. Each training session will last between 45 minutes to an hour, sometimes more, depending on your cardio method. Don't worry, this regimen won't lead to overtraining when paired with adequate rest and a well-balanced diet. Embrace the challenge, for nothing worthwhile ever comes easy, just ask the Spartans. Now, where do you picture your training battlefield to be? When it comes to training like a Spartan, the environment you choose can make all the difference. Let's consider a few options. First up, commercial fitness gyms. These are often chain establishments, buzzing with the latest machines and filled with people in spandex, moving to the beat of pop music. While the energy can be infectious, these gyms might not be the best choice for Spartan training. The distractions are plentiful and it can be easy to lose focus. While you can still squeeze in a grueling workout here, if you have other options, it might be wise to consider them. Then we have the bodybuilder, powerlifting, or CrossFit gyms. These places typically foster a more serious training atmosphere. The clang of weights, the determination in the air, and the simplicity of the environment can align well with the Spartan approach. Of course, the programs here aren't exactly Spartan, but they do offer an environment where you can train seriously without being distracted by the commercial gym atmosphere. Just remember, you're following a Spartan regimen, so sidestep any well-meaning advice that might lead you astray from your path. Lastly, let's talk about the home gym. If you have a barbell, some dumbbells, a bench, and a way to do heavy squats, you're all set. The home gym is a favorite among many Spartans in training. It offers freedom and flexibility. You can play loud music, yell, and train at any time that suits you. The key here is to establish boundaries. Make sure friends and family know not to disturb you while you're training, unless it's an absolute emergency. Each of these training grounds has its own pros and cons. You need to choose one that fuels your Spartan spirit. Whether it's the seriousness of a bodybuilding gym, the freedom of a home gym, or even the energy of a commercial fitness gym, pick a place where you can train like a true Spartan. Choose a training ground that fuels your Spartan spirit, and let no distractions stand in your way. So, have you chosen your training grounds yet? Remember, the environment plays a pivotal role in shaping your Spartan journey. A conducive space, free from distractions, that allows you to push your boundaries and test your limits is essential. Spartan training demands discipline, not just physically, but mentally too. It's about ridding yourself of the comfort zone and embracing the hardship that leads to strength and resilience. You'll be committing to 5 days of rigorous training each week. It's not just a routine, it's a lifestyle shift. Just like a professional athlete or a soldier, you'll need to forge an iron discipline, making your training as much a part of your schedule as other responsibilities. Let's not forget, this isn't a walk in the park, it's Spartan training. It's tough, it's grueling, but it's worth every drop of sweat. It's time to start your Spartan training journey, 5 days a week in a place fit for a Spartan to train. Do you think you can handle it?